to be honest with the public, our policemen, I myself from the NBI, we really have a hard time in solving this case. This is a very classic na case. Well planned, well organized. And we believe na yung mga assailants, they are also connected with the government. So, kung ordinaryong criminal lang to, with the pot money of 5.5 million, sinusuka na yan. Kung ordinaryong tao lang yan. Kung ordinaryong killer lang yan. But because he is well connected with the government, sinong magsusubong? So, very compact sila. Pero I believe na meron kaming isang hawak na ebidensya na the moment na, of course, with the participation of our communication company, our communication service provider, so we can get some possible lead in this particular case.
Okay, so is this from the law enforcement, sir? Na, are you referring to law enforcement o assailant? Sabi niyo?
Yes, kasi may mga previous killings na if you happen to recall the incident that took place in Solariega na sniping din yung abogada. Ako personally, I also handled this case in Nabunturan, yung the late Solis Rapista, na doon siya, in-snipe din siya doon sa fronting, nag-park siya doon sa Kumbal Hotel sa Nabunturan, and he was sniped. May idea kami kung sino yung gumagawa. But, you know, the moment that your evidences will be submitted to the prosecutor's office, as a law enforcer, you have to see to it that there exists probable cause, not only probable cause, but the certainty of conviction. So, meaning, we cannot just simply file a case when we believe that we don't have that object evidence that could somehow link to this group of individuals.
So, you mean, sir, pag law enforcement, the pattern